I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Inside the firebox is lined with fire brick. Has a welded in grate system that leads down to the ash pit. There's a baffle in front of the chimney. Looks like this side got more fire than the other side for some reason. I don't know if they stacked it on the right hand side because they're left-handed and that's the way they tossed it in, or just the way the room was arranged, or whatever. But it looks like they had more heat here because this steel plate right there is melted away or burned away. Same back here. I don't think it's going to cause any major problem for me. Oh, there's daylight there. That's not good. Yeah, I got a crack. Right there. So I'm going to have to weld that up too. Glad I noticed that. If it had been in there behind the sheet metal, I wouldn't have seen it, and I'd have had fire going up into the air box. Doesn't look like anything happened over here. Somebody built that fire up and let it lay against the wall. Did the same thing there as it did up here. They were overstoking this bugger. Probably trying to bank it over the nightfall. Oh well, we'll be able to fix that. Just add more time to the job. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.